Today it's writing marketing copy. NLP stands for Neuro-Linguistic Program, neuro as in the brain, linguistic as in language, and programming as in computers. This means we can use language to program the brain, which is exactly what skilled marketers do. Now, we're just going to very quickly go over the meta programs. I taught this in a business practitioner we did in London many, many years ago. And there was a woman who was the director of a huge advertising and marketing agency in London. And she went, she could not believe, hi Annette, how are you doing? She could not believe the quality of copy that people were getting in the first draft by using meta programs. So I want you to think about why would we want to write marketing copy? Because we all work with people. So what do we need marketing copy for?
I think it's mostly to convince them to make a decision.
Convince who? Who's them?
Or the customer.
Okay, so who's your customer?
My customer is the people I coach.
Okay, so what I want you to think about, thank you for that, I want you to think, who would I use this for? Once you get good at this, and when you're qualified, you know, if you've got your business practitioner, business master practitioner, or trainer, you can offer this as a service to clients. This is something that business practitioners offer as services to clients. So you've got to think, first of all, about who is this for? Who am I aiming the marketing at? Meta programs are on a scale. That's why on this chart here, 0's in the middle, and you cannot be proactive, reactive. You've got to be one or the other, and they also change according to context. They change according to mood. They change according to stress levels. And they change according to experience and maturity. There are some that will be more hardwired than others. But when we're talking about business and leadership, it's all about being able to move round the meta programs. But when we're talking about writing marketing copy, it's identifying what are the meta programs of your ideal client. And then you write the copy for your ideal client. For example, if there's someone who is quite proactive, so it means from the 0, we've gone to my left, the screen left, and then a little bit towards highly internal options, about 2 with the options, there are about 3 with the different, and the generals there. So there you've got a graph of a certain client. Or you could have another client that's highly reactive. They're away from. They're not too external, a little bit external. High procedure, they're going to 4 or 5 procedure. Quite sort of halfway with same. And then specific. In other words, they're very detailed. So can you see there, you've got a completely different profile when you're looking at these meta programs on the right-hand side compared to the meta programs on the left-hand side.